Hello guys, my name is Nipin Watts and from today I'm going to teach you guys for the GATE exams. Well, there are different kind of GATE exam for different BTech fields, but I'm going to teach you for the CSC GATE exam. Now, before we proceed, we should know something about GATE. Well, basically GATE stands for the Graduate Aptitude Test in Engineering, and it is an all India entrance examination conducted jointly by ISCs and 7 IITs every year in the month of January or Feb. Every year almost around 6 to 7 lakh BTech students appear for the GATE exams, but only 16% of them are able to just qualify the exam. Well, you heard me right. Only 16% of them are just able to qualify the exam. Well, you can imagine that the competition is quite tough out there. There are several private institutes which are providing GATE coaching, but the problem is they are charging too much for it. So that's why I decided to make these tutorials in which I will teach each and every subject for the GATE and solve lots of questions that can come in your exam. So before we begin, I would like to tell you guys that why you should give it. Well, the simple answer is if you really want a good life now, and if you really want to become a very good engineer, then this exam is meant for you. GATE scores matters a lot for engineers. If you want admission to post-graduation programs like MTech, MS or direct PhD in ISC, IITs and other prestigious institutes and universities in India, then you should give GATE. It's a great opportunity for the student. Well, not only this, in India, most of the people are looking for the government jobs, and the best thing about the GATE is if your rank is good enough now, at least 100 or 200, then you will get the direct appointment letter from the PSUs like ISRO, DRDO, NTPC, BHEL, etc. That's why I said it before. If you really want a good life after engineering, then you should go for GATE. Anyways, now let's talk about the syllabus. Well, there are total 10 subjects in GATE, and these subjects are the main core subjects for the computer science. So if you're preparing for the GATE, then there is another advantage that you would be able to make your basics strong, and this would help you to crack an interview too for the good companies. So the subjects are algorithms, programming and data structure, theory of computation, compiler design, digital logic, operating system, database, computer network, computer organization and architecture, engineering mathematics and aptitude. Well, I would like to mention that the GATE exam is a little bit different from other engineering exams. Here you cannot guarantee that which question will possibly come in your exam. But yes, you can predict which type of question will come. There is a difference between these two words, type of question and which question will come. In here the questions are predictable. The questions you can predict the type of question, but you cannot say that this particular question will come in your exam. If we look at the syllabus, we will see that the chapters like algorithm, programming and data structure are 100% predictable. If you practice enough, it is guaranteed that only these type of question will come that you have prepared. Similarly, as we go further in the syllabus, we can see that some chapters are 99% predictable, some are 95% predictable, some are 80% predictable. But the point is, no chapter is below 80%. So you cannot leave any of the chapter. After preparing all these chapters perfectly, and if you still have time left now, then only then you should go for mathematics and aptitude. But seriously, if you have time, then only go for these subjects. So if you are able to score 80% of marks in GATE, then it is good enough to get first rank or second rank. Yes, you heard me right. Only 80%. If you are able to score 80% now, then you will easily get first or second rank or third rank. And if you are able to score at least 60% of marks, then you would be easily in top 100 or 200. You should keep this as a target in your mind. But right now you must be focused on the preparation first. If you are not preparing well for the exam, then how can you predict that you would be able to get first rank? So just focus on what you are studying. Now as we go further and look at the exam pattern, there are total 65 questions and the marks for the technical section is 70 and marks for the mathematical section is 15, and marks for the aptitude section is 15 too. You should keep this in mind that there is a negative marking too in the GATE exam, so you should be very sure about the answers. One wrong question and you would be down by 1000 rank or maybe more. So you should be very careful with the answers. Now from the next video I would start teaching from the algorithms, and I will teach you every topic and we will solve many questions. Thank you guys for watching. Have a nice day.